The cone object is another 3D object, so I'm going to drop a material on it so we can see the shading a little bit better. And when I click on the cone icon and go into the cone editor, what we are presented with is the height. So I can adjust the height right here, and also the diameter, which increases the width or circumference of the cone. We also have an option for corners, and if I take this all the way down to 3 and rotate my cone a little bit, you can see we now have a pyramid. There's an option within the cone to turn the smooth off, and when I do this, we now have a sharp cone, and you can see how this with the 3 corners now is a pyramid, and when I increase the corners with the smooth off, you can see the different settings on there. Turn smooth back on and increase the corners again, we have a rounded smooth cone. There's an option to show the bottom, so I can turn the bottom off, and this will allow us to see the inside of the cone. The cone also has its own center point. By default, it's set to center. You can change it to bottom and top as well. The cone has an option for rounded tip. When I turn this on and increase the rounded tip height, you can kind of see how it affects the tip of the cone.